Hello boys and girls! Today we are going to draw a good shark. We will start from its eyes. At first we need to draw a big circle. Now we need to draw its body. Our shark has a big body. And don't forget to draw its tail. Our shark has two eyes, two big eyes. We need to make 1, 2, 3, 4 fins. Our shark has a big tummy. Our shark has a big mouth. Look, it's so funny and smiling. 1 and 2 eyebrows. We will draw air bubbles under the water. Now we are going to color our good shark. We need a sky blue color. Sky blue tummy. We are coloring our good shark. The body is blue. Fins are blue. A tail is blue too. The head of our good shark is blue. We can make more bubbles. We can draw more bubbles. Look, we drew a very nice shark. Good job! Goodbye, boys and girls. See you next time.